Hi guys, happy Saturday. My name is Gabby and today we'll be making some ramen. I'm so hungry. Let's get to it. So, let's get all the ingredients out. I'm just kidding, ain't nobody got time for that. So what we have here is some actually killer noodle. And it's easy and delicious to make, super fast. I have to get back to the books, so I need to get something fast and enjoyable. And here are the instructions, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over them. Guys, so the ingredients that came with the bag for the noodles, we have the ground pork, we have the chili oil sancho, green onion cashew pickles, and then the soup, of course, the pot for my noodles, and then I have the pot for my soup. So let's get to it. I just wanted to let you guys know that if your noodles are frozen, the instructions recommend that you heat them up for 3 minutes. If they're not, it's 2 minutes. So because mine were frozen, I ended up heating them up for 3 minutes. The progress of my noodles. And then I'm going to show you also the soup looks like it's pretty much there, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. I'm gonna set up my bowl with my noodles. I do have to drain my noodles and of course add it to the bowl. So what it says is after draining the noodles, add it to the bowl of soup. And so let's go ahead and do that. Also, we will be adding the ingredients as well. Alright you guys, I poured it into a bowl. I went ahead and took a bite just to taste it. It's delicious. Man, was this easy. It's just amazing. I don't know how to explain it. Can I have some more? So, Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a coupon code. These moments, any help, any coupons, anything helps right now. So my coupon code is Gabby L10. Let me spell that out. GABBYL10, and you can get that at bestramenla.com. All right, now go try your noodles. Bye.